मैं हूं मीर हसन और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा YouTube चैनल कॉलेज नोट्स। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सभी बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी के सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का AEC एबिलिटी एनहांसमेंट कोर्स कंपलसरी इंग्लिश का पेपर सॉल्व करूंगा। क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो करेक्ट आंसर्स हैं उसमें करेक्ट आंसर्स को रेड पेन से क्लियरली सर्कल किया गया है। ठीक है, तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं। और हाँ, आप भी पेन और कॉपी ले लीजिए। हाँ, बिल्कुल रेडी हो जाइए। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और अब ये रहा आपके सामने सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर। ठीक है,
has been described as solitary child. Number 2, who detected Lucy Gray's footprints on the snow? Lucy's mother. In the poem Lucy Gray's The Storm Came, the correct answer is at midnight with strong force in the afternoon before its time. Why can Lucy Gray be still found? Home, bridge, lonesome wild and forest. B. Lonesome wild. How Do I Love Thee is a poem from the collection titled Sonnets from Portuguese, Daughters Miscellany, Sonnets from Spain, Holy Sonnets. Correct one. A. Sonnets from the Portuguese. I love thee to the depth and breadth and height, sincere and solemn, height and breadth, solemn and sincere. The correct answer is breadth and height. I shall but love thee better in future, in heaven, after marriage, after death. Correct answer is after death. Who has written the sonnet How Do I Love Thee? Christina Rossetti, Anne Bronte, Elizabeth Barrett Browning, George Eliot. The correct answer is Barrett Browning.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मूव करने से पहले मैं आपको एक छोटी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूं। अगर आपको AEC सेमेस्टर 1 का कंप्लीट आंसर्स के साथ PDF बुक चाहिए तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर मैसेज कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको सिर्फ 99 रुपीस में पूरा PDF बुक प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा।
Then move to the next question. Wilfrid Owen was first Waldorf poet, second Waldorf poet, Victorian, neoclassical. Correct answer, first Waldorf poet. In Anthem for Doomed Youth, the firing of the guns is described as dangerous wrath, monstrous anger, vengeful wrath, devil's anger. The correct answer, that is monstrous anger. The central theme of Owen's Anthem for Doomed Youth is celebration of war, horrors of war, glory of war, history of war. The correct answer is horrors of war. Passing bells in Owen's poem indicates coronation, wedding, funeral, victory. The correct answer is, that is funeral. What was the thief's age when he met Arun? The correct answer is 15 years old. The thief wanted to leave Amritsar. Amritsar by চারটে ট্রেনের নাম কথা বলা আছে, টাইমের কথা বলা আছে। তো correct answer is 10:30 express. Why was the thief grateful to Arun? He taught him to wrestle, he taught him to read and write, he taught him to cook, he taught him to steal. The correct answer is he taught him to read and write. 15. C. How did the thief realize that Arun knew about his attempt to rob him? Some notes were missing. Arun caught him stealing. The thief confessed. The notes were wet. The correct answer, the notes were wet. John C. Fell very seriously ill in January, September, November, May. Correct answer is November. Why would the medicines not help John C? According to the doctors, he didn't want to leave. He didn't want to take medicines. He couldn't be cured. Heart disease could not be determined. The correct answer is C. Didn't want to leave. Move to the next question. Who was Behrman? A 50-year-old painter, a 60-year-old painter, a 40-year-old painter, a 30-year-old painter. The correct answer is a 60-year-old painter. When did John C. think he would die? After autumn, after the last ivy leaf fell, after the last pine leaf fell, after winter. So correct answer is after the last ivy leaf fell. What was Behrman's masterpiece? The last leaf, John C.'s portrait, the first leaf, Swift's portrait. The correct answer is the last leaf. Owen's real name is William Blake, William Faulkner, William Butler Yeats, William Sidney Porter. Ramon Roy was rejected by his countrymen because they refused to be reminded of the great inheritance. The country will still practice sati. He supported the British. His ideas were conservatives. Correct one A. Ram Mohan Roy appeared in Indian society. Ram Mohan Roy appeared in the Indian society like a storm, a shower, an earthquake, a rainbow. Correct answer is a shower. In Ram Mohan Roy, the word confluence means center, point of separation, point of meeting, circumference. Correct answer is the point of meeting.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन दबाइए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। और हाँ, अगर आप नए हो इस चैनल पर तो कॉलेज नोट्स को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें, क्योंकि यहाँ आपको मिलता है लिटरेचर, नोट्स, एक्सप्लेनेशन और एग्जाम गाइडेंस, सब कुछ एक ही जगह। मैं हूँ मीर हसन, मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड जय हिंद।